When Hyundai redesigned the Sonata for the 2015 model year, it decided to rein in the styling. Turns out that was a bad move, as the very element that catapulted the car to huge sales success was no longer present. Learning from that mistake, the all-new 2020 Sonata is letting it all hang out. Though Hyundai's efforts have recently been focused on fleshing out their SUV lineup, in their eyes, the family sedan still has life, and the way to keep it breathing is through seductive design and cutting-edge technologies. While the Sonata's Audi-like profile and Lincoln-esque rear styling hit their marks, the droopy, catfish-inspired front end looks like a Chevy Malibu descendant, and that's certainly no compliment. Hyundai refers to the new look as Sensuous Sportiness, and it rides upon a new platform that delivers increased strength and reduced weight. There are two so-called Smart Stream powertrains from which to choose: a new 2.5-liter four-cylinder making 191 horsepower, delivering 33 mpg in combined driving, and the company's sportier and re-engineered 1.6-liter turbo that delivers 180 horsepower and a more robust 195 pound-feet of torque at only 1,500 RPM while returning an estimated 31 mpg. An 8-speed auto handles the gear changes. Hyundai says the Sonata's driving dynamics will match the sporty exterior design, providing more nimbleness than its predecessor. Enhanced braking performance is also expected. Hyundai always does a great job of integrating advanced technologies, and the new Sonata's cabin aims to continue that mission. Ambient mood lighting, large digital instrument cluster, full head-up display, center-mounted HD screen, a new 12-speaker Bose premium audio system, and panoramic sunroof. The beautifully smart theme seeks to apply these items and more in a natural and intuitive way. The new Sonata also supports Hyundai Digital Key via a smartphone app, allowing owners to leave traditional keys at home as well as share keys with family and friends. Hyundai's SmartSense advanced driver assistance systems, such as forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and smart cruise control with stop and go, are standard. Available in SE, SEL, SEL Plus, and limited trims, the 2020 Sonata is scheduled to arrive in October. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.